Before registering an administrator fingerprint, first alert the lock by pressing down on the shackle. The light will blink blue. Press and hold the administrator fingerprint to the fingerprint sensor. The light will display blue along with 2 beeps. Continue to hold until you hear a 3rd beep, then release. Press the administrator fingerprint to the sensor again. The blue light will turn off along with a beep. Press the administrator fingerprint to the sensor 9 more times. After each press, the light will display blue along with a beep. A blue light with a long beep indicates a successful registration. A red light with 4 short beeps indicates an unsuccessful registration. After alerting the lock, press and hold the administrator fingerprint to the sensor. The light will blink blue along with 2 beeps. Continue to hold until the light blinks blue and red. Release the administrator fingerprint. Press the administrator fingerprint to the sensor again. The light will flash blue along with a beep. Press the new user fingerprint to the sensor 10 times. Each press will display a blue light along with a beep. If an administrator fingerprint is not registered, any fingerprint will unlock the shackle.